All right, folks, it's November 1st, technically, but I guess a few hours ago, Milwaukee started the promo. All right, this is the Packout 3 box, large toolbox, medium box with, and the tool case with the foam insert. All right, so Packout rolling toolbox, large toolbox. It's really the medium, but they call it the large, and then the tool case with the foam insert. All right, so they're kind of replacing that better built box with the also with the aluminum supports on the side with the foam insert. I think it's a good idea. I mean, the other box is built better, but this has the foam in it. Whatever, they're pretty much the same. This one's a little bit smaller, but I'm sure down the road we'll see that option also. All right, you're gonna really have to. This deal, guys, is only really gonna work if you're up at 2:08 a.m. because after that it's going to go up to 230 bucks. All right, so it's 199 just like we thought. And what's really awesome, you add it to your cart. All right, you put the promo in and it comes to 179 bucks, but it's going to come at $209. So it's going to be a couple bucks cheaper than if you get it at Home Depot for 199. Now, will Home Depot have this set for 179 also? I don't think so. I think this is going to be 199. Um, you know, you're not taking a huge risk. Um, if it is 179 at Home Depot, because they are changing the boxes, maybe but they're both the same price. So I don't think so. I think they're both going to be 199. Again, you're getting the $20 boo. I think this is probably going to end tomorrow at some time. All right. And it could even end in the morning. I don't really know. But right now, the boo promo code works. But you have to remember that $30 handling fee at Home Depot, whether you get it in the store. And again, you're really probably only going to see it in the store on that Black Friday for $199, and people buy them up. If you're not there on Black Friday, they're going to be gone. But again, online, they should have them for a little while for $199. Again, that's being speculative. I don't know 100%, but we know some other online retailers have it for $199. But again, if you can't wait or you don't want to wait, the special handling charge is the killer. I don't know. I don't know why it has to be 30 bucks. But it is what it is. So, like I said, once the boo promotion goes away, it's going to be $199. You're going to have to pay $30. Now, you can get other boxes. The special handling charge only gets applied when you buy that rolling Packout box. If you buy the large box, the, foam insert box, any of the low profile boxes, anything but the rolling box, you don't have to pay that $30 handling fee. But um yeah. So if you're interested, I'll have the link here. Someone said that they didn't charge, and I knew it because they did it last year, but due to the size or weight of this item, it has a handling charge associated with the handling charge per item will be applied during this. Yeah, so and you got to spend another 30 bucks and you can get a T-shirt, but they don't tell you what the T-shirt looks like. And here it is for $279. But remember, this has the original aluminum um, side um, supports there with this box here. You can get extra wheels. $131 for a Milwaukee bag. Oh boy. Yeah, and they got the I think this is the Packout backpack, low profile backpack, $79. Again, I don't really, it's a backpack, right? You wear it on your back. I don't know why it needs to connect to a Packout, but all right, guys, and all these, you still got to get the 10%, guys, with all this stuff. Oh, they actually have the Milwaukee glasses. All right, bear with me a second here. Add to cart. It's not working. All right, but you'll be able to save the 10% still on this pack out stuff. All right, and looks like there's some other deals too. As you see here. $29. Here's the organizer for 44. Yeah, they tell you that, but you gotta, I don't know. They have this big thing, $279 down now. Now it's $199. Yeah, but you gotta pay $30. I mean, it ain't like you don't have to pay. Let's get started with the large toolbox here. Oh, we can make it? Okay. And then let's get this one. Okay, yeah, I'll check that out. And we want the organizer. And let's get one of these low profiles too. Just one. All right, yeah, I want it. All right, now what do I do? Add to the cart. Let's go to the cart. Go to the cart. What is going on? All right. So let's remove that because we don't want to pay that extra handling fee. Now, do we? Or maybe you don't care. Or there's the Lord. Or there's the Lord. All right. I must have hit something a couple times here. Oh, that one time when I was hitting everything. Come on, this freaking crap. This is incredible. They really got to update this website because this is like 1920 here. It takes this long to remove something? Holy freaking smokes, man. Yeah, that low profile was $29 last year. Now it's 39. That's hopefully we'll see that go down to. All right, let me see what this comes to. And that's the big dagger with the Packout is when you get that rolling box, guys. That's $130. So this is 211. All right. You don't have to pay that fee. But yeah, it's probably definitely better, obviously, to get the rolling cart then. I mean, it is going to be less money because again, 200 it'll be $19 cheaper for this. But this is also with $23 off. But remember, guys, at some point, this large Milwaukee box was $59. I believe this box was like, I don't know what it was, $49. This was like $39. This was $29. So we'll have to see, guys. But the 3-box kit, again, $179, but you got to pay that $30. So come at $209. Still pretty good because at Home Depot you're going to spend $200 plus $14 tax. And again, we're not 100% sure, right, about if Depot's doing that. They are. I'm pretty sure, but listen, who the heck knows? All right, it's really late. I'm going to bed. The link will be below if you want it. Peace.